back to my channel. Today is number 12 in the Countdown to Christmas series that I'm doing. And today I'm going to just give you a little show and tell of some cards that I made. And hopefully that you'll be inspired and it'll give you some ideas to create some of your own. Some of the cards I'll be showing you have been created using my Cuttlebug machine and embossing folders. And some I've used rubber stamping on, and some I have just cut out different pieces from ephemera or some scrapbook paper that I had. So there are lots of different ideas and ways that you can create cards, and I hope by seeing mine that you'll be able to come up with some of your own creative ideas as well. So I'll get started and show you what we have here. So for the embossing, I've used this little set here. It's got 5 little embossing folders, and they're all Christmas little scenes. So the first one has it's a background with snowflakes and a Christmas tree and this cute little penguin holding an ornament. That's really cute. And then there's a pretty Christmas tree here, and then some elf feet, elf stockings and elf feet, and then a reindeer, which I used in a previous video that I did on some gift tags, and then a nice one that says "Sending Christmas Love." So they're all really cute, and this is the size of them. So this first one is the scene with the snowflakes and the Christmas tree and the reindeer. Or not reindeer, sorry, I mean the penguin. And then we have this is the reindeer, the reindeer one that I did the gift tags with. And I have this one is says "Sending Christmas Love." And here's the elf stockings and elf feet. And then this pretty Christmas tree. So those are the folders that I've used. And let's see, so I'll start with this card here. So this is the one with the scene here. And I used a background of teal cardstock on there. And then I used the embossing folder and did it on this kind of a silver white background paper, and then I cut out a separate little tree here to be able to put it on some 3D dots and pop it up to make it dimensional. And then I added sequins on there, and then I added the little stickle glitter glue to the snowflakes, and to add a little decoration on there. It says Winter Wonderland on there, just a little wording that I cut out on that one. So that's really cute. Then I did this one here, and that's with the little Christmas tree embossing folder, and I put it on a background of glitter paper. And then I used my punches and punched out some of the snowflakes, added some glitter to that. And this is just a little piece of ephemera here with, it says "Let It Snow" on there. And I added a few little gemstones on there to make that look nice. Let's see, another one I did here is this, I used a white cardstock and then layered on a piece of this red cardigan sweater background. And then I used just a piece of that snow scene from the embossing folder, and just used the tree and a few of the snowflakes and put that on there, and then glittered that up a little bit. I used one of my die cuts that says "Peace" on there, and I stamped out "Joy and Love," and then just cut that out with my fancy scissors and added the red gemstone on that one. So it's just some other little ideas you could do. This one I did on a silver cardstock. And I just did some layering. So I did a white piece of cardstock, or white, silvery white, on the background there, and then layered another piece of the silver cardstock on there, and layered another silver and white one on top of that with the embossing of the tree and the snowflakes on there. And then I used my stamps and stamped out "Merry Christmas." And then I just kind of blinged it up with some gemstones and some stickle on there as well. I think that turned out really pretty. And then another idea I did, this one's a little more simple, but just used the white cardstock. I masked off this little blue, or this little square in the back there for the background, and then I just used my blue ink and just kind of rubbed that on to make the little background for the bird. That turned out pretty good. And then used my die cut that says Merry on there and stamped on Christmas with my rubber stamp I had. I also stamped on these little vines and then just used some red paint to do the little dots on there. And just added a little bit of glitter spots on there. I think it turned out pretty cute. So that's a simple one. You could use any cutouts that you have from your papers. Like that little bird was just a little paper cutout. And I put them on 3D dots to kind of pop it up a bit. But yeah, I thought they were kind of fun to do. There's lots of different ideas that you can try. And so I hope you feel creative and give those a try. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.